Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to perform certain arithmetic operations, or let's say mathematical operations in Java. So first of all, I need to declare two variables. The first variable is called a, it's of integer data type, and number 10 is assigned to it. The second variable is called b, it's of integer data type, and number 3 is assigned to it. But how can I perform arithmetic operations? In order to perform arithmetic operations, simply we can use the mathematical symbols. So for example, the plus for addition, minus for subtraction, then star for multiplication, slash for the division, it's an integer division, and then a modulus operator for finding the remainder. So in order to do the calculation, first of all, I would like to print some messages. So I use system out println syntax to print arithmetic operations. So this is what is shown here in the output. Then I print the values that are stored in variables a and b. So we see that for variable a and b, we are printing them in the output here. So you see that here I have the quotes because I want to print a little bit of message. So I write down a equals. So this a equals is being printed here with a space. Then we are having plus a, meaning that I would like to add a, and a variable is holding the value 10. So 10 is being printed. Then I have a comma and then b equals, comma, b equals. Then we are having the plus and then the name of the other variable, which is b, and the number is assigned to it is number 3. So a equals 10, b equals 3. So this is the first message that I would like to print on the top. Then I would like to perform the addition. In order to perform the addition, first of all, I'm going to print this message saying that a plus b equals, because if I don't have this and only print the output 13, which is 10 plus 3, it would be confusing to see, okay, 13 comes from where? Okay, I need to do the calculation again in my head to see, okay, a plus b equals 13. But this message simply is shown here, a plus b, and then we are having the variable a plus variable b as a form of addition, so their value is 13 as being printed in the output. Then I do the same thing here again, a minus b equals in the quotes, so we see this part of the output. Then a minus b, so it is 10 minus 3, it will be 7, that is shown here in the output. Then we are having the multiplication. So a multiplied by b, it is equal to 30, which is 10 multiplied by 3. Then a divided by b, it will be 3. So 10 divided by 3 is 3. So it's an integer division. And finally, in order to understand if a is divided by b, what would be the remainder of this division? We need to use the modulus operator, which is this symbol, okay? This operator. So a modulo b, we are going to calculate the remainder of a division of a divided by b. So 10 divided by 3, the remainder is number 1. Basically, in this video, we learned how to perform mathematical operations. Thank you for watching.